Well, good afternoon, everyone. We are so excited today to invite you to the launch of the OPPO Reno14 Series launch event. That is because travel keeps us inspired, curious, and spontaneous. All in all, making all of us feel alive. Pearl White captures the essence of the serenity around us. It's deep, it's sleek, but it's uber cool. A device that plays on trails just like you. And that's the titanium gray color. Last but not the least, the forest green carries depth, mystery, and an effortless sense of calm.
That's the magic you get when you have 3.5x telephoto lens.
Of 4K HDR, ultra clear video capture, you can relive and share every moment with breathtaking detail. AI's got your back. Boom, absolutely perfect. Whether you're editing a travel vlog, switching between maps and music, or shooting 4K HDR video for hours, this 4nm chip delivers a rock-solid stability every single time.
Definitely, making an OPPO Reno14 Series user a smooth operator.